Okay, good morning, my pixel artists. In this video, I wanted to show you guys how to resize your images so that you can go from a very small pixel canvas to just a larger canvas or image without your um, cool designs from disappearing. I made something very simple, just so it can be easy to see if it's changing or not. My canvas size is 50 by 50 pixels. So let me zoom in. So these are 2 by 2s. This is 1 by 1. And, it's pretty small. Pretty small. Now, one thing first, let's talk about changing the size of this shape. So if I go to my movement tool, and then I click on Command T, this is my free transform that's over here. You want to make sure that it's nearest neighbor. So nearest neighbor. So when I resize this, let's lock in. Sorry, allergies. Let's lock in the dimensions so it doesn't change width and height. And if I change this, it'll be going to the nearest pixel or whatever. So it should retain its size, not go blurry and all that. I want to make it small again. And then I'm going to show you that I can do the same thing by changing the image size. So changing the image size, when you resample it, make sure that its nearest neighbor is hard edges. Hard edges. This is really important. And I would recommend changing it to percent. So let's say we go to 1000%. As you can see, it still retains its quality. And if I do that free transform again with the nearest neighbor on, remember I locked it over here because I don't want to change my original width and height. Now I can make this super big. And look, no blur. That's awesome. Nothing is blurred. It's retained its quality. So that is super important for my pixel artists. And if you take the last video on smart objects, hopefully this changes your pixel art animation game. So yeah, hope that helps.